Lindsay with Wall Decal World. So today we're replacing our logo and we just wanted to show you guys the hitch method, which is what we're going to do here. I've already removed this half of the paper backing, so I just have the decal and the transfer tape left here, and this side still has the paper backing. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to squeegee this down on this side. So we're going to continue with the hitch method here. We can just swing this open, and the decal's already on the left side, so we get to just peel this off, and it stays right where we had it from it being level. So then now I can just swing it over. And then squeegee it down. And then now all I have to do is take my transfer tape off. So I'm just removing the transfer tape now. And also just another tidbit is pulling the transfer tape straight down instead of towards you. So you want it to fold over itself so that you're not trying to pull the decal. You want it to go straight down. Now we've got all the transfer tape removed and just the decal left. So what you want to do now is squeegee every part of the decal. And if you notice that your wall has a little too much texture and it's struggling, you can take a tennis ball and that'll really get into the grooves of getting all of the decal into the wall. There we go.